So right now, as you can see, I got the new carbon fiber Alcantara stitched, custom made steering wheel. Look at this. Great job. This is gonna look so much better in the whip. New additions to the G. This is the old one, which is, I hate it. So right now, that's what I'm doing. And I also got the honeycomb trim for the buttons, which is gonna look really good too. Yeah, I'm in the process right now. Takes a little time. You definitely gotta know what you're doing. First thing I did was take off the airbag. Well, release the negative side of the battery, and took the airbag out because you don't want that to activate. And from there, I just step by step. All right, so right now I'm screwing everything back. This is the trim for all the button controls. I'm screwing this back in right now. All right, so now I just put the back plastic cover on the steering wheel. I'm practically almost done assembling everything. Yeah, it's looking good. It's looking good right now. Yep, almost done. Process. All right, this is finished product. Everything is all said and done.